Yo guys, what's up? It's your boy Chops here, giving another video today, another vlog video today. And in today's videos I'm going to be replacing my stock taillights that are not working. I'm going to be putting on a JDM style one. My reverse lights are not working, and also, well, I think it's most likely the housing, and some bulbs need to change, so I'll just be replacing them. But in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to take them out and what you'll need to further on take out this stuff, right? So far, our update on the car, we have most likely finished everything, just waiting on two parts, which is the hood lock and the bash bar to hold the bumper. And as well as after all of that, I have already sorted out someone to put on the fenders because it's hell of a work. And I just need to get that done and paint, and from there it's gonna be going back to my friend and I'll be seeing it here and there because he got some plans with it. But anyways, so I guess let's move into the back of the trunk and I will show you guys what's going on. But before that, there was some stuff I forgot to show you guys at this. So the Laurel C35 Medalist Club S, or the normal C35, is a really nice car, and it's how to say, it's really VIP status, I would say that. So look at this. Okay, so this is what I forgot to show you guys. Alright, now standard glove compartment, right? But in this whole area of my driver section, right, everything is interactable. Right, for example, this is my, I would say, fuse box. Right, then there is a small compartment here. I guess that's for the coins and stuff. So let me just, yeah, that is dirty, right? Then what else you guys think can be interacted? Well, yeah, of course. Anything else? Yeah, so we have a compartment to, like, I guess, to hold more coins or whatever you choose, and just get some more light in here. Can I? Yeah, so oh no, that's not alright, whatever. Yeah, so this is for, like, I would say your coins or whatever you decide to choose. Then there's also, that is dope. Let me push that back and give you a different view. Yeah. Oh, that is dope. Although I can't get the parts for this, the whole, like, frame housing or whatever it is to hold it in place. But this is cool, you can store other stuffs in here. And I'm thinking, well, I believe this is supposed to be either for your stereo, I believe, not sure. And then we have the center console here, right? This would be to hold your drinks, or if you have anything easy, like you need to grab quick. If you say, like, for example, the keys, like you have it on you. And we also have the handrest, which here's your, like, I would say, larger stuff to put in. And here would be, like, I don't know, let's say for example you have a bit of loose change, you have, I don't know, some papers that you need to keep in, and it's also removable, just like that. Yep. You see also the middle part comes down as well as the rest. And yeah, the only other thing is the seat is, like, it's not manual, it's just like electronic, so I can just press a button to move. Alright, so let's move into the tail. I'm not editing this, I'm gonna show all my fails because it has took me long to start this video properly. Let's move into the boot and deal with the lights. And here we are at the boot of the car. Those are, I would say, JDM style lights we are putting on, and these are the stock one. As you can see, it's like really busted, really dirty, cracked, and in a bit of a bad condition. Today also it's like really, like, focus, yeah, it's really like rainy and cloudy. Down there is very fucked, but zoom out, shit. But yeah, let's get back to our, you know, our usually scheduled program. So in today's video, I think most likely what you'll need is your tool socket and a flathead screwdriver. I think that's most of it. All you just need to do is just take out like these tabs and the upholster, and you just need to get to the wiring right here. Okay, let me just brighten my screen. Give me a sec. Alright, so now that I can see the screen to where I'm recording, you take out your upholstery or you stretch it back to where you can get your hands free with space, right? And in the back of the laurel c35, there's going to be 3 screws, one here, one inside here, and then there's one further down in the back. As you can see where my hand is pointing. Can I get it? Give me a second, guys. Why is that so bright? Wow. I'm trying to get this screw here, and then all you need is to take out this. This is where the screwdriver come in, because there's these like tabs up here that really give problems to take out. So you're just gonna have to press it down and pull out depending on how well it's stuck in. Same thing is gonna be for the other side. Right, same thing here. Right, nothing too different. And yeah, that should be good. Then when you're done now and you get out the cords, you're gonna have to push this inside, because there's a grommet that's gonna be holding onto the frame, and that is what's gonna be holding the wire in place. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to hold up a setup. I think I don't really have much of like a tripod or stand, but I'll try to show as much work as I'm doing. Yeah, so I guess let me put you guys into that time lapse. So as you can see, I took out the first tail light, right side, and now the left side is ready to come out. As I said, there's going to be some screws in the back. This one in here, one up here, and one right here, and that should be it. Now this, you just push it and it should come out, but you don't want to do that. You want to like loosen the sides, right? Make sure the tail light is coming out. As you guys can see here, let me make sure I have this thing on zoom. Right, and then you just push here. Oh fuckity, I'm gonna count. Yeah, just make sure you give it enough force. I'm doing this with one hand, right? And I am already starting bad. You want to take out that, so let me get to that. Right guys, so it is out. As you can see, it's bare. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking out some of the bulbs from here to put into those, so that all can work. And yeah, so most likely all you're going to be doing, these are your taillights, right? There's going to be 4 compartments. I think this one is reverse, and all you have to do is just twist them to the on your right, or if you're watching it at this direction, you turn it on your left. All right, so you turn them, and there we go, all is unlocked. So I'm just gonna sort out these bulbs, and I'll get back to you guys when the install is ready and show you what they how they look. Yeah, so now I'm done. I just changed the bulbs, make sure they were working, and I don't know if you guys can see. Let me just hold this properly. Yeah, so I changed them. This one has an LED bulb, so it's gonna look a little bit different, but yeah, I guess let's get into the install. Yeah, alright, put you guys on a time lapse now. And that's it. They are installed, but I didn't tighten them up properly yet, and I didn't fix back everything because I want to make sure everything is working. So my hands is a bit, you know, fucked up, but we're gonna try it and see and make sure everything's working. Alright, but so far so good. Make sure your clips are put in properly. There is, I think, up to 5 or 6 clips that you want to make sure looks properly. So dude, oh my gosh, dude. These look so much better. Okay, let's go and turn on the car, and let's see. Okay, so ignition, turn on. Okay, put in reverse. Then I'm gonna turn on the lights. Let's see. Moment of truth. Oh wait, hold on. I'm not gonna do that yet. Put on my indicators. Indicators on. Indicators on. Oh. This one's not working. So I can change this bulb really quick. Check that out and see, hopefully. But we are set. So let me change that bulb and I'll come back and show you guys it working. Hopefully it's the bulb. And there you guys have it, the JDM rear tail lights are on. The only problem is this bulb is not really working so good, so you can get them changed out, but it looks absolutely amazing. We have LEDs for the license plate and it looks really good. Finally got all lights working as well, so that is even more of a plus. There you go guys, that is the C35 medalist tail light install. Like, comment, subscribe, and I guess this has been very interesting to learn. Yeah, I ripped out my bumper guard and all the other shit. I'm trying to remember whatever does protect the underside, but yeah, it looks really good. I gotta get some air as well. But other than that, that was the install. I'm just gonna give you guys a small little show of the previous tail lights and the new tail lights, and that'll be it for this video. Peace.